Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. I'm Monica, and I'm here because I want to bring you some of, in my opinion, some of the prettiest red liquid lipsticks for the holidays. If you're interested at all, then stay with me. A more matte lip cream in Desire. It is the most beautiful red. And out of the four that I'm bringing you, out of the four that I'm going to bring you, this is the deepest. So I'm just gonna start with this one first, why not? Okay, lipstick. I'm a fan of this lipstick so that it's nice and matte. A lot of times when you just apply them and they haven't settled, gotten really matte, I kind of don't like that. I wanna see once that lipstick has gotten matte, and we're there. It's beautiful, right? I love it. It's just classy, sophisticated. It's pretty liquidy, but it goes on really smoothly. It's not hard to apply. You don't have to double and triple up on it. It's very opaque, and I love this lipstick. It is a beautiful red. It is Milani, a more matte. They're $9.99. Digging it. So you don't play. Okay. We good. On to the next one. Here, y'all. This is Spicy by ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Matte Lipstick. And let me tell you, if you are a fan of that orangey red, and it's almost like it has this hint of gold in it. No shimmer, just, you'll see when I put it on. This bad boy, when it is matte, dries down, this is all kinds of beautiful. Beautiful. All kinds of awesome. Ooh, 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 ooh. I love a red lip. Yes, you see what I mean with that? It's almost like it's a golden orangey red. Let's get this bad baby to dry all the way down. Is this ghetto, y'all? I don't care. You want to see it when it's dried down, right? There we go. This is a lip. Popping red. Okay, the next one is NYX NYX Slip Tease. And let me check my notes here. It is Red Queen Rouge Royal. That's a long name for a lipstick. Red Queen Rouge Royal. NYX Slip Tease lipstick. This is a real true red. And when it dries down, it's absolutely matte and beautiful. You just gotta see it, okay? And she goes on pretty matte. It doesn't take long it's for it to dry down, but it's beautiful, as you can already see. I don't even have to fan this one. It's just so beautiful. It's just red, in your face, fire engine red. I love it. Okay, last but not least, this is Ulta's Matte Lip Cream in Brilliant. And this is a corally red. And you'll see what I mean when I apply it. Now this, to me, is an everyday red. It's got that, to me, it's like a corally. Tell me if you agree with me. A corally type of red. This, to me, is just an everyday red. I would wear this to work, just out. It's pretty. It's so gentle on the lips. Like, this is nothing you have to worry about. Now, this one fades off. If I remember correctly, this one will fade off when you eat or drink. Let me dry this one down. With my ghetto fan, this is the everyday red. Corally red. Right? What do you think? This is it. Those are my 4, and I'll be talking to you beauties really soon. Until next time.